In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how have I created this viral video with 2 free AI tools. So make sure you stick to me till the end, and for now, let's begin with the tutorial. Step 1. Generating the image. For this, I'm going to use lexica.art. I'll be leaving this software's link in the description. Here in the image bar, you'll have to type the character name. For me, a joker standing. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. From here, you can click on any image and then you will get 4 variety of that image. Okay, you can choose any one and you can download. Like this, you will have to download 2 to 3 such images. So I'm downloading this one. Before we move forward, friends, I have one small request to you. I have given myself a target of 2000 likes and 500 comments. So please do contribute your valuable opinion in the comment section and please smash the like button. Your support helps me to thrive every single day. With that, let's move forward to the next part. Now, go to Viggle.ai and go to this join Discord option. Here you'll have to accept the invitation and you will be redirected to your Discord account. If you don't have a Discord account, then you'll have to create one just by using your Gmail or email account. Now once it is done, let us get into the Discord account. You will be led to this Discord account. Here you'll have to join in Viggle server, and at the bottom you will get so many rooms. You may join in any rooms. I am joining in room number 2. Okay. Now here see carefully. You will have to give /animate and take the first option. Here you need that image which we have just downloaded. So go to this image button and take any one of these images. I am taking, let's suppose, this image. And then open. Now prompt, motion prompt. For motion prompt, you will have to head back to Viggle and go to this prompt for Discord option. Here you get different options. Whichever video you like, you can just take that. If you like that, you can just take that prompt itself. So let's suppose I want that exact same video which I have shown you in the beginning. So for that, in the search bar, just type LIL and get this option. This one has gone really viral. So for this, I will just go to this copy option and OK. Now head back to your Discord server. And here in the prompt box, just Ctrl V. So that way it will be pasting the exact same prompt of that video. Now go to this background option and use this prompt template option. And then go to this last option, fine tune should be on. And then enter. Now go to this jump to present option so that you can see your prompt. See, my prompt is here and it is getting generated. It might take 2 to 5 minutes time, and at the same time you can only create one video, not more than that. So just wait up till this video is getting generated and then I will show you the final result. Once the video is generated, you will get a pop-up sound. Then you need to go little downwards to find your video. Here is my video, so I'll just click on this and you can play. Then go to this top right hand side download button and download the video. And in this way, I have created all these different videos by taking different video prompts from here. Sometimes I have taken this prompt, sometimes I have taken some other prompt. But if you take prompts from here, the outputs are really good. you want to know different models, different AI tools, please do visit www.vagpemedia.in, where we have created a comprehensive course for you all, which is getting an early bird offer as well at this moment. So guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet, and please consider to give me a like. One small request, please do share my content with your friends and family so that I can thrive in every single day to create new videos like this for you all. Thank you so very much for staying here with me. I'll come back with some fun tutorial next week. Till then, stay safe and stay legendary.